Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable auto rematch on Uber. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Rematch allows driver who've just dropped off at the airport to take trip if there is one available. This will impact the amount of time you wait in the queue. Trip requests also depend on external factors such as travel demand. If there are less flights, there may be less riders requesting. Demand may also depend on the time of day or weather condition. So, what if you want to disable this feature from your Uber? It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber app. You can log in into your mobile apps. Now, after that, you can go to your account by tap on the button right here. From here, you can go to settings. You can scroll down on your setting until you'll find reserve. You can just tap on that. So here, by default, your auto rematch is active. Now, if you want to disable, you want to unactivate, you can just tap on the toggle in here. So now you have disabled this feature from your Uber. So it's very simple, right? And anytime maybe you want to enable this feature again, you can just go to your setting, choose on reserve, and enable this feature by tapping on toggle in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to turn off auto rematch on Uber. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.